On this edition of Study Fatafat, I want to say three things to you today. The best time to start any project was yesterday. The second best time to start any project is today. Do you understand the meaning of something like this? That you should have started your project, anything that you really crave for, anything that you really desire yesterday. But in case you were not able to start the project yesterday, the second best time is not tomorrow, is not day after tomorrow, is not next week, but it's actually today. So this is particularly important for all you students, that you need to grab the moment, grab the opportunity, not lose out on any valuable minute, any valuable second, any valuable moment in your study life. So that is one big thought that I'm giving to you today. Point number 2, who you are tomorrow depends on your today. What a powerful quote. That what will happen tomorrow largely depends on what you do today. Because if you are not doing the right things today, if you are not investing your time in doing the right things today, that will definitely have a bearing, an impact on how your tomorrow turns out to be. And why should you be interested in your tomorrow? You may ask me that question. Because you need to be interested in your future, because that's where the future is, where you are going to be tomorrow. You understand? The future that you are actually building today, it's like building a house. You take great care to ensure that the foundation is perfect, to ensure that the ground floor is perfect, first floor, second floor, and especially if there are 5 floors, 6 floors, whatever. The foundation needs to be perfect, so that tomorrow when you decide to live on the top floor or decide to have a party on the terrace, you are confident that the foundation of this building is very strong. So your future is where your tomorrow is going to be. So you need to invest in that tomorrow right today. That's why today becomes very, very important. Okay. So you may now tell me that it's actually very hard in ensuring that you don't lose out and waste any particular minute in your today. It's not easy preparing for the future, you may tell me, right? Which I would say it's right to an extent. It will be hard. I'm at no point saying it will be easy. If it was easy, everyone will be doing it, right? Everyone will be super successful. Everyone will be a genius. Everyone will be like minting money, be super successful, doing everything right in their life. The fact that it does not happen is because they do not invest in their today. Yesterday to chala gaya. Today, they don't invest in their today. So it will be hard. Don't be under the impression that it will be easy. It will be hard, and it should be hard, because it is through going through that hard journey that you learn your life lessons. So it will be hard, but hard does not mean, if you look at the dictionary, hard does not mean impossible. It means it is possible, it's just a little difficult. It is the toughness quotient that you need to negotiate, right? So the hard journey, in fact, only makes the destination, when you reach the destination, that much sweeter. You are going on a road journey, you are driving, and suddenly it starts pouring, raining. You know, आंधी चल रही है, तूफान चल रहा है, बहुत जोर की बारिश हो रही है, and yet you drive carefully. There are 4 other people, friends, family members in the car, but you ensure that you reach the destination safely. It is hard. It is not impossible. And the fact that you manage to negotiate through such unfavorable weather conditions and yet reach the destination safely makes your effort that much more important, that much more sweeter. So get started. बोलते हैं ना, जब जागो तभी सवेरा. So get started today in case you did not start yesterday. So I'm going to leave you with these thoughts, and I do hope you implement the 3 points that I've told you in this video. God bless you. Thank you very much for watching.